Alaikum, Sheikh.
Wa alaikum salam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
So, Sheikh, my question is regarding Taraweeh. I read on Islam QA that the scholarly consensus is that like Imam Abu Hanifa, Imam Ahmad and Imam Shafi, they say that we have to pray 20 rakah, and Imam Malik says we have to pray 36. Now the most correct view is that one should not limit the number of ayah, the number of rakat, and pray as much as possible. Now we, those who pray 8 rakah, we still have a hadith backing it up, like Hazrat Aisha or Ibn Abbas. So my question is, Sheikh, why is there scholarly consensus on 20? Where does this number 20 came from? Barakallahu feekum.
Ufiq barakallah. First of all, when you say consensus, it means that there is no one else who said something different. But this is not the case. You just said that Imam Malik says it's 36 rak'ah and not 20 rak'ahs. So there's no consensus. And we cannot have consensus when we have a hadith. And the Prophet's hadith, according to Mother Aisha, may Allah be pleased with her, that the Prophet ﷺ did not pray neither in Ramadan nor out of Ramadan more than 11 rak'ah. However, this hadith is challenged by another hadith where it stated that he used to pray 13 rak'ahs, as per Ibn Abbas and also Aisha, may Allah be pleased with them all. So why did the scholars say that it's okay to pray 20 rak'ah? Because there is nothing limiting it. Where did they come from? With this number? This is the doing of Muslims since Allah knows when. And it is not an issue where we should waste time disputing and arguing and fighting and pointing at one another that this is an innovator or this one is so extreme in his views, etc. It's a very easy topic. You want to pray 11? Be my guest. What's your evidence? My evidence is that the Prophet ﷺ never exceeded 11 rak'ah according to the authentic hadith in the Sahih by Mother Aisha when she was asked. Okay, good for you. You want to pray 20? Yes. What's your evidence? That Umar, may Allah be pleased with him, and the majority of the companions used to pray 20 rak'ahs. Good for you. You want to pray more? 30 rak'ahs, 40 rak'ahs? It's okay. There's nothing limiting it. And if the people in the neighborhood are old geezers like myself and they don't have the energy to pray except 7 rak'ahs, good for you. There's nothing that compels us to pray a specific number, let alone to fight and point fingers at one another and accuse one another of being an innovator and not loving the Sunnah, etc. All of this is from shaitan. Islam is an easy-going religion. You do what you like, and if someone goes against your opinion that is not a crucial issue, is not a life or death matter, alhamdulillah, we have room in our religion to accept such differences, and Allah Azza wa Jal knows best.